Good morning. This is Akashvani Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yentan. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will inaugurate a training program on legislative drafting in New Delhi today. The program is being organized by the Institute of Constitutional and Parliamentary Studies in collaboration with Parliamentary Research and Training Institute for Democracies. It is aimed at creating an understanding of the principles and practices of legislative drafting among officers of Parliament, state legislatures, and various ministries, statutory bodies, and other government departments. The legislative drafting has a major impact on the interpretation of the policies and the regulations implemented for the welfare of the society and the state. Since legislative draftsmen are responsible for producing legislation which promotes democratic governance and gives effect to the rule of law. Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya has stressed on the need to focus on an enabling framework to bridge the digital divide across countries, specifically amongst low and middle income countries. Dr. Mandaviya was addressing the G7 Ministerial meeting on health innovation in Nagasaki, Japan on Sunday. The meeting was held to discuss the priorities, implementation, and utilization of health innovation like digital health towards ensuring universal health coverage. Dr. Mandaviya said that use of technology and digital health tools are an enabler, an equalizer which can facilitate strengthened health service delivery. He said the COVID-19 pandemic has catalyzed the use of technology in health service delivery. The minister said India has already taken a policy decision to provide all such digital tools free of cost to the world as digital public goods. IPS Officer Praveen Sood has been appointed as the next Director of Central Bureau of Investigation CBI for a period of 2 years. Sood is currently serving as the Director General of Police of Karnataka. He will succeed incumbent CBI Director Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. ICAR Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture and Department of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources organized a capacity building program for farmers of Nagaland on scientific aquaculture and inauguration of aquarium unit on fish germ blossom of Nagaland in Dimapur on May 13th. Director of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources Rongsen Nungpa said Nagaland has a rich inventory of fish species which harvest different kinds of fishes. He said it has 42 aquariums that houses indigenous fishes collected and donated from the 16 districts of Nagaland. He also reminded the department for proper preservation and maintenance of the unit for the benefit of the people. Director ICAR Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture Dr. Pramota K. Sahu asserted that the different fish species of Nagaland has a good potential, adding that this can be achieved through the interest of the people and the department. Informing that a huge number of fish species of about 60% is being imported into the country, Dr. Sahu requested the farmers and the stakeholders to give it to the Department for Preservation. He said a new species will be preserved and will be researched to collect the information. Dr. Sahu also felt the need to inspire the young generation in preserving new species of fishes and also encourage the farmers for keeping aquariums in their households. The severe cyclonic storm Mocha has weakened into a cyclonic storm over Myanmar. According to India Meteorological Department IMD update, the severe cyclonic storm Mocha over Myanmar moved northeastwards with a speed of 43 kilometers per hour during the past 6 hours, weakened into a cyclonic storm and lay centered at 2:30 hours today over Myanmar. It said the system is continuing the weakening trend and will become a depression during next few hours. IMD warned on squally wind speed reaching 40 to 55 kilometers per hour, gusting to 60 to 65 kilometers per hour over Mizoram and Manipur during next 6 hours. IMD also forecast that light to moderate fairly widespread to widespread rainfall was very likely over northeast India during the next 4 days. It said heavy rainfall was very likely at isolated places over Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura till 18th May. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.